Hi, my name is Andrea Ellis. I have currently been with Holland for a little over 25 years. I'm currently a systems engineer with the IS department. How I heard about Holland was my sister Jill that worked for Holland. She called me one day and she's like, hey, there's a temporary position at customer service. Would you like to interview? In IS, our average days vary. What are our current projects? We're looking at a new shopping cart. I'm doing some testing with that, trying to see which one would best fit Holland. As far as the PM app, it's an ongoing project. I work with Peter Guzman and Eric Murphy on a daily basis, testing, updating, just making that better as a whole. One of the new and fun things I have done with this is I've learned how to do this iOS development. I haven't done it in the past, so this is fun and exciting. And I redesigned the look and feel of the PM app to meld the historical look and feel with new functionality to make it run smooth. This is a big thing because we're setting the standard for the layout and the design of future Holland apps. We want them all to be consistent in flow and not have everything be different. The PM app is preventative maintenance. It's dailies, to make sure the truck's working as expected, checking the oil, checking the air in the tires. Weeklies, a weekly maybe an oil change or something like that. We want to make sure we have the best equipment out on the track to give the customers the best product. We can't do that if our units are breaking down. So my career is highlight in its own. I came to Holland with not much background. I was in retail before I started with Holland. In 2000, I was hired as an engineering secretary, just, typing letters and entering structures and different things into an AS400. Not long after, in 2004, I was recruited to the help desk. And I kind of just learned on the job. From there, I became a business analyst working with IFS, and I just learned as much as I can. SQL, crystal reports, database stuff, for IFS. I just sucked up as much information as I possibly could. And then I became a programmer analyst. With that, I was actually starting to write BB, working in Visual Studio and developing apps, working with websites. A lot of the apps that I created are still in use. This is back in 2008. We're still using them. So I must have done a fairly decent job. And then my position now is a systems engineer. A systems engineer is a position that encompasses all of the jobs that I've had. I need to take information from all those different jobs to design and outline and establish new processes, new programs, new functionality to best fit Holland's use and need. And all of it I learned on the job pretty much at Holland. I was given an extremely blessed opportunity, and I couldn't ask for more. During my time at Holland, I have held several positions that have helped Holland make the railroad better. Some of the most impactful positions have been in the IS department. Any of the programs IS have created, websites, anything that I've interacted with over the years allows our fleet to produce the best product for the customer, internal, external. The data that is in turn returned to the office produces a better product the next time we go out. Holland is one of the best companies to work for. They allow employees to think outside of the box and make Holland better through improvement and advancement with new products. We created a company that can do anything and everything that a railroad needs when it comes to rail and the equipment used on the rail. We do testing, repairing, replacing, cleaning, protecting products in the equipment. Holland has a complete package necessary to do the job, from request to successful implementation. Throughout my life, I have done a lot of things that women don't normally do. So being in an IS department with other male developers and being successful as a female is extremely rewarding. I was given the opportunity to become this productive female at Holland. We even have females out in the fleet. I mean, Holland is a truly diverse and accepting company. I would not want to work anywhere else. Holland is just the best.